Hello students, open your book, page number 28, knife painting, owls. Draw the picture of the owls with tree and moon. Apply pastels randomly as shown in step 1. Put darken tone as given in step 2. Now fill the whole paper with the black pastels as shown in step 3. Use a knife to scratch off the black color in the shape of oval, moon, star and tree as shown in step 4. Okay, today we will make this page. For this page we need oil pastel color, okay, like this, and one knife for scratch. Okay, so let's start.
Reflecting